It is a sunny morning. The sky is blue, the birds are singing. This is the Chen family. They live in a nice house on a quiet street. There is a mum, there is a dad, there are 2 children. Leo is 10 years old, Mia is 8 years old. Today is Saturday. There is no school. The children are happy. Mum went to the shops early this morning. She bought many things: bread, eggs, milk, juice, apples. And something else, something nobody expected. Leo helps carry the bags inside. The bags are heavy. One bag is very heavy and very cold. Something is moving inside the bag. Leo and Mia look at each other. They look at the bag. They look at each other again. This is a penguin, a baby penguin. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. They use their wings to swim. They are very good swimmers. Penguins live in cold places. The most famous place is Antarctica. Antarctica is very far away. It is the coldest place on Earth. Baby penguins are called chicks. They are small. They are fluffy. They are very cute. Nobody knows how this penguin got into the grocery bag. That is a very good question. Dad comes downstairs. He sees the penguin. He does not believe it. The family has a big decision to make. What do they do with a baby penguin? Mum makes a plan. They will take care of the penguin, just for a little while, then he will go somewhere safe. The children are very happy. They want to give the penguin a name. Leo thinks of many names. Mia thinks of many names too. Finally, they agree. His name is Pingu. Dad does not love the name, but Pingu seems to like it. Now Pingu needs a home, a temporary home. The family gets ready to go to the pet shop. At the pet shop, the family looks at many things. Leo wants to buy everything. Dad wants to buy only the important things. The shop assistant is very helpful. She knows a lot about animals. Penguins need cold water. Penguins eat fish. Penguins need space to move and swim. Dad buys a large tub. He buys ice packs. He buys fresh fish. He buys a small thermometer to check the temperature. Leo also buys one small scarf. Dad is not very happy about the scarf, but he allows it. They drive home. Pingu sits in a small box on Mia's lap. He looks out the window the whole way. Back at home, Leo and Dad set up Pingu's temporary space. It takes a long time, but it looks very good. Pingu sees his new home. He walks around it slowly. He sniffs the water, then he jumps in. The whole family laughs. Pingu is happy. That evening, the family eats dinner together. They talk about Pingu. They talk about penguins. Dad reads facts about penguins on his phone. Even he is a little interested now. After dinner, it is time for bed. Leo and Mia say goodnight to Pingu. It takes a very long time. The next morning is Monday. Leo and Mia must go to school. They do not want to go, but Mom says they must. Leo gives Pingu very detailed instructions before leaving. Mia thinks this is funny. Mum thinks this is funny too. They go to school. The house is quiet. Mum works from home. She checks on Pingu every hour. But at lunchtime, something happens. The back door is open, just a little, just enough. Pingu is gone. Mum looks everywhere, inside, outside, in the garden, behind the bins, up the street. No Pingu. Mum calls Dad. Dad comes home early. They search together. Still no Pingu. Leo and Mia come home from school. They see Mum and Dad's faces. They know something is wrong. The news is hard to hear. Pingu is missing. The whole family searches the neighborhood. They knock on doors. They ask neighbors. They look in gardens and behind fences. One neighbor saw something, a small black and white animal, going very fast down the street. They search until it gets dark. Then they must stop. That evening is very quiet. Leo does not eat much dinner. Mia makes a space on her shelf, just in case Pingu comes back. Dad promises they will search again tomorrow. Mom makes hot chocolate. It helps a little, but not much. That night, Leo cannot sleep. He thinks about Pingu. He hopes Pingu is safe. He hopes Pingu is not cold. Actually, Pingu is probably fine with cold, but Leo worries anyway. The next morning, Leo comes downstairs. Breakfast is ready, but Leo is not hungry. Then someone knocks at the door. It is the neighbor from 3 houses down, and she has a very special visitor with her. Pingu is back, he is safe, he is well, and he is wearing a brand new hand-knitted scarf, a blue one, with little stars on it. The family is so happy. Leo hugs Pingu carefully. Mia laughs and cries at the same time. Mum thanks the neighbor many times. The neighbor's grandmother knitted the scarf herself. She found Pingu in her garden. She thought he looked cold. She did not want to call anyone until she was sure he was okay. Pingu spent the night in the neighbor's bathtub. He ate 4 fish. He was very comfortable. Everyone laughs, even Dad. It is a very good moment. But then Mum says something important, and Leo already knows what it is. Pingu cannot stay forever. Wild animals need to live in the wild. Penguins need other penguins. They need real cold water. They need space. A family home is not the right place, not forever. The family makes some phone calls. There is a wildlife centre not far away. They have experience with wild animals. They have a special area for penguins, cold and clean and safe. The family decides. Tomorrow they will take Pingu to the wildlife centre. That last evening is special. The family spends time with Pingu. Leo teaches him a game. Mia draws a picture of him. Dad takes many photographs. Mum makes fish for dinner. Pingu gets the most fish. In the morning, they pack Pingu's things carefully. His blue scarf, his favourite fish toy, a photo of the family. The drive to the wildlife centre is quiet. Leo looks out the window. Mia holds the box with Pingu inside. At the wildlife centre, a kind woman meets them. She shows them the penguin area. There is a large, clean pool. There are other penguins, young ones, old ones, loud ones. Pingu looks at the pool. He looks at the other penguins. His head moves from side to side. Then he looks back at Leo. Leo nods. It is okay. Go on. Pingu waddles to the pool. He stops at the edge. He looks back one more time. Then he jumps in. The other penguins come over immediately. They are curious. Pingu swims with them. He looks happy. He looks like he belongs. Leo watches for a long time. Nobody rushes him. When it is time to leave, Leo says goodbye quietly. Mia waves. Mum and Dad stand close together. On the way home, the car is quiet, but it is a good kind of quiet. That afternoon, Leo sits at the kitchen table. He looks at the photo Dad printed. Pingu in his blue scarf, looking right at the camera. Leo smiles. It was hard, but it was the right thing to do. And sometimes the right thing and the hard thing are exactly the same thing.
Leo, coming! These bags are heavy. This one is the heaviest, and this one is cold. Very cold. Why is this bag so cold? Mia, this bag is moving. Bags do not move. Penguin. We found something better. It is a real penguin. A baby one. Can we keep him? He came to our house. He chose us. He chose the bag. Still, he is here now. Please, Dad. Please. Yes, temporary penguin rescue. I like that. He needs a name. Something good. Something cool. Pingu? Because he is a penguin, and Pingu sounds right. He likes it. Look, he moved. He answered. I am telling you. He answered. And maybe a little scarf. A small one. Penguins get cold. Penguins live in cold places, Dad. And maybe something for playing. Penguins like to play, and maybe just one small scarf, just one. Very small. Yes, Pingu, this is your new home. Temporary, but nice. Of course he does. I designed it. I planned the whole layout. Exactly. I am a penguin engineer. Good night, Pingu. Sleep well. No stealing fish from the kitchen. No sliding on the floors. No adventures without us. He understood everything. I could tell. Bye, Pingu. We will be back soon. Be good today. No parties. You do not know that, Mom. No sliding, no fish stealing, no escaping, no fun without us. Bye, Pingu. See you after school. Pingu, I am home. Pingu, where are you? Maybe he is behind the sofa. Penguins can be sneaky. This one especially. What do you mean? Where is he? Oh no. Oh no. The back door. It was open this morning, just a little. Pingu! Pingu, here boy, Pingu! Has anyone seen a penguin? Small, black and white. Very cute. Pingu is fast. He is an athlete. What if he is scared? What if he is lonely? What if someone found him and does not know what to do? We have to find him, Dad. I will not sleep until we find him. I am not hungry. I cannot eat right now. Pingu! He is back. Pingu! Look at his scarf. It has stars on it. Pingu, I missed you so much. You scared us. Do not do that again. Your grandma is a wonderful person. Please tell her. I know he cannot stay forever. I know. Can we visit after he settles in? Can we come and see him? Okay. Good. That is good. Pingu, tonight is our last night together. Tomorrow you go somewhere better, bigger, with other penguins. I know it is right. I know. But I am still going to miss you. Bye, Pingu. Be good, make friends, swim fast. I know you will be okay. You are Pingu, you are tough. No, the Wildlife Center is just very windy. It is a little windy. It was the right thing. Right, Dad? Now I have a question for you. Wait, let them answer first. If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. What does Pingu eat? Just write it in the comments. One word is enough. See you next time.
Me too. I will help. Mom, this bag is making a noise. It is moving, Leo. Penguin. A baby penguin. He fell out of the grocery bag, Dad. Tell him that. He is right there. He chose the bag, and then he chose us. Something strong and cute. That is the perfect name. What about accessories? Penguins can wear things. What about a little hat for cold days? This one looks nice, but Pingu is better than any cat. I made the sign. It says Pingu's place. He loves it, Leo. Look at him swim. Sleep well, Pingu. No escaping tonight. Come on, Leo. We are going to be late. Pingu? Pingu, where are you? Leo, he is not here. He is gone. Penguins do not hide behind sofas. This is not good. Pingu! Here, Pingu! Excuse me, have you seen a small penguin? He is this tall. Very cute. Penguins are fast. That makes sense, actually. He is a penguin, Leo. Cold is okay for him. Then we find him faster. Come on. I made space on my shelf for when he comes back. Just a small space next to my books. Leo, Pingu is back. Look at the scarf. It has little stars. That grandmother is a hero. We know this, Leo. We always knew. He needs real cold water and real penguin friends. Look, Leo, he found a friend already. He is so happy. Leo, are you crying? Leo, we are inside a building. There is no wind in here. He will be okay. He will be more than okay. We know, Mom. We did good. What did Pingu eat? Write it in the comments. See you next time.
Shopping delivery. A little help, please. I bought everything on the list and a few extras. Put everything on the counter, please, carefully. Oh my goodness. That is a penguin. A baby penguin in my shopping bag. I honestly do not know. He was not on my list. Just for now. We take care of him. Then he goes somewhere safe. Temporary penguin rescue. I like that, actually. He is a penguin, Leo. He will be here when you get back. I am fairly sure penguins do not go to school. Time to go, both of you. Pingu will be fine. I will check on him. Leo, Mia. Something happened today. Pingu is missing. He got out through the back door. We are going to find him, I promise. Pingu? Here, Pingu? We will keep looking tomorrow. Come inside now. Hot chocolate. It always helps a little. Eat something, Leo. Just a little. That is how I know you are really sad. You always eat breakfast. Leo, Mia, look who is here. Thank you so much. Really, we were so worried. You are so kind. Please thank your grandmother for us. Leo, you know what happens next. You already know. He needs more than we can give him here. I made some calls. There is a wildlife center nearby. They are very good. They have a special area just for penguins. We take him tomorrow as a family. Tonight we spend time with him, all of us together. He looked so happy in that pool. You helped him, Leo, right from the beginning. That was you. You did a good thing, both of you. I am very proud.
What is all the noise about? What is that a penguin? That is not possible. Penguins do not come in grocery bags. Okay. I am looking at a penguin in my kitchen. No. We cannot keep a penguin. He fell out of a bag, Mia. That is not choosing. He is a wild animal. He needs proper care. No scarves. We are going to the pet shop for the essentials. Only the essentials. No hats, no jackets, no accessories of any kind. Fish, ice packs, a tub, a thermometer, that is the list. Fish, that is all. Fine. One scarf, very small. That is it. Not one more thing. Pingu. Okay, I can accept Pingu. Good setup, Leo. Actually good. Good night, Pingu. Stay in your tub, please. He is a penguin, Leo. Not a student. I am sure he will be fine. I got here as fast as I could. Where did he go? We will find him. Everyone stay calm. Pingu! Come on, buddy. Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a penguin today? We search again tomorrow. First thing, if anyone in this neighborhood sees a penguin, they will definitely call someone. I promise. I took about 40 photographs this evening. For the memories. Leo, I know this is hard. But your mom is right. He needs more space, more cold, more penguins. We made some calls. Good people. They will take excellent care of him. Yes, we can visit. I already asked. He went straight for that pool. Did you see that? He did not even hesitate. That is a good sign. He is going to be great. It was the right thing, Leo. Absolutely the right thing.
Good morning. Welcome. Can I help you find anything today? Sorry, could you say that again? A penguin. An actual penguin. Okay then. Let me help you. We want to keep him comfortable and safe. Yes? Penguins need cold water. Around 10 to 15 degrees is good for young ones. Fresh fish is best. Small ones are easier for a baby to eat. He will need space to move and somewhere to climb out of the water. This thermometer is very useful. Check the temperature twice a day. Not that one. That is for tropical fish. Very different. Not that one either. That is a cat toy. Actually, that one is not bad. It floats. Penguins sometimes like floating toys. You have a very well-prepared penguin family. He is lucky. Good luck with Pingu. Come back if you need anything.
Good morning. I am sorry to come so early. I found this little one in my garden yesterday afternoon. He walked right through my gate. Very confident. I did not want to call until I knew he was healthy. He ate 4 fish last night. He slept in my bathtub. He was very comfortable. He is a very good penguin, very polite. I knitted him the scarf last night. He looked cold. I could not help it. The stars are my favorite pattern. Please keep it. He suits it very well. Take good care of him, dear.
Hi, is this your penguin? He showed up at our house yesterday. My grandma found him in the garden. She knitted him a scarf. She does that. She knits things for everyone. She knitted our cat a jumper once. The cat was not happy. Pingu seemed to like the scarf, though. My grandma really liked him. I think she wanted to keep him.
Hello, you must be the Chen family. Welcome. And this must be Pingu. Hello, Pingu. Come with me. I will show you where he will live. This is our penguin habitat. We have 14 penguins right now. 3 of them are young like Pingu. The water is kept at 12 degrees. We feed them 4 times a day. Fresh fish every time. He will have plenty of space and plenty of company. You're welcome to visit anytime. We have visiting hours on weekends. He is going to do very well here. I can already tell. Look at him go. He is a natural. You did a wonderful thing bringing him here. He's going to have a great life.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe for more daily English. See you next time.